You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this fascinating word. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Animal names in particular. Emerita is the British English pronunciation, okay? Standard English UK pronunciation. Emerita. Mole crabs. In American English it's pronounced Emerita. Emerita. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.